Hi there. So today I'm going to show you how to download the MacPy magazine from the Raspberry Pi.org, and for this I'm going to write a universal and platform independent Python script. So let's get to it. For this I'm going to need the OS, the sys, and the requests module. If you have problems with running the script saying that the requests module cannot be found, then you should install it with pip. And what is needed is a helper variable and a while loop. For now it will only run until 20, but later it will be shifted to true, so it runs never ending, but we'll get back to it later in time. So I'm going to need a path which is going to hold the path to the file. I'm going to need a file name and the file, which is the our self join path and file name. So the name of the file is going to be the concatenation of the MacPy.pdf. It was split by that. To join, and what I'm going to join is nothing other but the O plus stir I if I less than 10 else stir I. Yeah, and the path is going to be the ls.getenv home, which is the home folder on Linux environments, and only if this home variable exists. Otherwise, we need the user profile. So let's check it and print these three variable values. Path, file name, file, and I would like to call it the MacPy downloader.p. Okay. So let's get a command line. And try to run it. Because this is called request set. Okay. Cool. So this is how this looks like. And now what is needed is to check if the file exists. If it exists, then I will say that skipping the download of file as it already done. Okay. Format file name. Otherwise, I'm going to use a context handler, which is the with statement, and I'm going to open the file in write binary as f variable, and I will say that the content equals the requests.get, where the URL equals to URL, and the URL is the, let's get MacPy issues. Last file. And I'm going to need its content. And yeah, so let's show you something like that. I'll start a Python shell, import the requests, and I will say that I try to fetch a local site, which is the age on dot. Oop. Okay, result, and we can see that this result has a status code, which is 200 if the download is successful. I mean, it could fetch the site, and this result has a text, which is converted into nice shiny images in our browser. And what is needed for us is the content. So in case of a PDF file, it is going to download the bytes which are going to be saved as the content of the site, which will be the content of the PDF. Okay, and let's get to it again. So this is going to be a try catch block. Accept. And I will say that if there was not found in content, which could be the star, then I will raise an exception to break out of this loop. Else, I will say that I should write the content and say tell the user that the magazine was successfully downloaded. Otherwise, we are going to say that there is nothing more to download. And call the hours.remove to the file. And yeah, this is how this should be working. And downloading the new magazine. Magazine. This is the file name. I save it. And let's give it a try. This is a test file which I have downloaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded the MacPy 01, the first ever Magpie magazine, and it seems to be working as it is downloading the magazines one by one. And if I run it again, CLS, and open an Explorer one level higher, then I should see, yeah, so I have just deleted 2 PDFs, but let's see if it's working correctly. So this is the Magpie 01, which is downloading. After it was downloaded, it should be saved, and we should see the size changing drastically. And then, yes, it should skip 2 other PDFs. Okay, so this is what I would like to show you. Hope you liked it, and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.